You know, we love revving it, you know, when it's these enclosed spaces. One bag of nice pollution.
Brum biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is a Brum biker, Brum rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. Yaga yo, we're outside again. So yeah, family, today we're gonna head over by the Kings Norton, them side of the city there. If you're new to the channel, family, please don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe, and also, you don't know, say, if you haven't spotted it already, we've got a PayPal link, so any one of you wanna drop a little donation, you know what I mean, go ahead, no pressure on all of that, and let's do it. So yeah, man, family, I can't lie to you, I am absolutely shattered, man, so tired. And look, may I come outside for honor? You get me? Get you some footage, get you some scenery, show you a little bit of Birmingham on the other side. What would they call that side now? Would they call that the south? You know, my geography is terrible, you know. Look at all this flipping traffic. Oh my gosh. I need to wake myself up, man. Some throttle therapy. You know when the insomnia kick in night before and them things there? Mate. Come on. Over the shoulder check. Okay. Come on. Let's move over. Oh, every time I come down here, I keep forgetting to up the is it the ISO? I don't know if I've upped it already. I forget. So normally if you're going into these dark places here, you want to make sure you got the ISO. Don't lock it on the lowest one, and do it like between 100 and say 1600, so that when it reaches them kind of darkness, the camera will automatically brighten it up, if that makes sense. So if it looks a bit dark under here, I apologize, family. You know, we love revving it, you know, when it's these enclosed spaces. One bag of nice pollution. In fact, to be fair, this exhaust ain't even that loud. Family, how's your day been, man? Or should I say, how has yesterday been? Because normally I upload my videos between 7 and 8 in the morning, normally between 7 and half 7, them kind of times there. How's your day been? How's your week been? You know? Where have you been, man, on your bikes? Or where are you going? Where are you off to? Let me know, man. I wonder if anyone's tried that, you know, dropping a video. Has anyone tagged anyone that wants to do motovlogging? I swear, Dan, no, you never guess what happened to me today. So imagine drop the kids off to school and all that. I normally would drop the kids off to school, then, you know, jump on my bike and that. And I had the flipping Action cam in my pocket, man. So imagine, I've took it out my pocket, and when I took it out my pocket, the ND filter smashed. So yeah, that's taught me something still. So right now I'm working with ND16. I normally work with an ND32. So I don't even know how this is going to look. It might be a little bit too bright, or it might be actually bang on. Because really the ND32 is more for when it's a super sunny day. You know what I mean? But I got the 16 on, and I haven't adjusted any of the other settings, but I've just slapped the 16 and just kept it moving. Because the show must go on. Alright, so this is, if I'm correct, Peugeot Road. So if you follow this road quick up, so you're gonna end up the Kings Norton side of town. So Kings Norton, Stirchley, straight ahead. Wonder if I can get through all of this. Let's get through. Yeah, training center, you know, police, fire. But yeah, man, I'm absolutely shattered. Absolutely shattered. I thought, let me come out, a little bit of throttle therapy, wake myself up. But yeah, family, really and truly, make sure you have some good sleep before you come out. I beg. Oh my gosh. Bumper cloth. Yo.